mommies, shorties.
Lady right here in a brown jacket and a perfect teeth.
See, I don't wanna hurt nobody, but there is something that I must confess.
Wait a minute, Ellie.
Yeah, James.
Look at that beautiful Filipino lady right there.
Oh, I see her.
My number is 646-789-8181. Call me after 7 when my minutes are free.
And yeah, my number is 646-225-8610. No homos, please.
Any homos, don't get offended. That's a joke.
Yeah,
Check it out.
We're not homophobic.
This song right here goes out to all my Spanish ladies. Check it out. Yo te quiero, yo te amo. Tú me quieres. Everybody cuando Dominicano needs a moreno in their life. That means black, y'all. I need some chicken and rice and beans. I even cook you some collard greens and chitlins and some cornbread and macaroni and cheese.
Next is 59th Street. This is the number 2 train making local stops.
All right, bitch.
Making local stops. She said making local stops. Okay, let me go back to that again. I need some chicken and rice and beans. I even cook you some collard greens and chitlins and some cornbread and macaroni and cheese. And for dessert, we have a piece of watermelon.
She called for me to do the dance, y'all.
Hold on, he can't do a dance for y'all right now. I got one more song and it goes out to the lady with the blonde hair right there. You ready, honey? This is for you. With your pretty teeth. Go ahead, girl. Something apple. We should be together.
Tell them where to find you guys at.
Incredible.
Yeah, y'all can find us at James Teller, JR, or Honey Kane at yahoo.com. And you can even call us at 646-225-8610. Holla.
Let me show you blondie and free. You know in time it's on will it be. Yeah, one like a dream come true. Just wanna be with you. Please, that's why it's plain to see that you have some perfect teeth. He says 1, 2, 3, 5. Make you wanna love with me. Live right. Believe my work is done. You have a black man back at one. Yeah. Josh ain't here yet. Hey, holla. Ladies and gentlemen, check it out. We're not homeless yet. We're not homeless yet, ladies and gentlemen. We're trying to accumulate money for studio time, so we come on the train, try to give you guys a little bit of entertainment, make you laugh. Only if you want to show some love, only if you want to. All it takes is
come and talk to me. We really need your money. I want to show some love. I know it's crowded, y'all. I want to show some love.
Teresa.
$2 $9.
I'm so sick.
Oh, you put right here in my bag.